Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy from scratch. First, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. This initial step is crucial for a smooth, crystal-free candy base. Ensure your candy thermometer is ready to monitor the temperature accurately. Once the sugar is dissolved, increase the heat and bring the mixture to a boil without stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the syrup reaches exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is vital for achieving the correct consistency. Promptly remove the pan from the heat. Now, carefully stir in your chosen flavoring extract and a few drops of food coloring for that classic vibrant look. Now for the fun part. Carefully pour the hot, flavored syrup into the center of your cotton candy machine's spinning head. Turn on the machine and let it heat up. As the sugar melts and spins, it will transform into those beautiful, wispy threads we all love. Gently swirl a paper cone or stick around the inside of the bowl to gather the delicate cotton candy. Enjoy your freshly made cotton candy right away. It's best when consumed immediately. After the fun, remember to clean your cotton candy machine thoroughly. Warm water and a soft cloth usually do the trick to remove any sticky sugar residue, ensuring it's ready for your next batch. Keeping it clean helps maintain its performance and longevity. For an even easier cleanup around the house, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.